ahead.
Hi! Today, we're gonna learn how to do laundry. So, today's laundry day, so I'm wearing my pajamas. The first thing we do is sort the laundry. We're gonna be doing a load of towels, so we don't want to put this shower curtain in there, or these swim trunks, or any of this other stuff. Get out. We're just doing the towels. So, the first thing we do is open it up. Put it in there. And we close it. Now we need to put, So, since we're doing a load of towels, we put our detergent in here in the main wash. I already poured it in, so it went in there. And since we're not doing t-shirts, we don't put softener in, but normally we would. Next, turn it on. Set it to towels. If you're doing regular laundry, put it on normal. Then press start. Now wait for an hour and then your laundry will be ready for the dryer. Before you start the dryer or anything, you need to clean out the lint. Okay, if you don't clean it out, it'll catch on fire and your clothes will blow up. So take that on out, yummy. Throw it in the trash, and you're ready to go. Once the washer is done, you take the wet towels out and put them in the dryer. And since they're towels and we didn't use softener, we use dryer sheets. Get them nice and fresh. Then we turn it on, set it to normal, and press start. Beware, you have to time your washing just right, or else someone will take your laundry out of the washer and just set it on top. And then your clothes will get all stinky and gross. Another tip is some things don't go in the dryer. Things like fancy shirts or dresses or leggings. Oh, those aren't leggings. Go on the drying rack. You hang them like this and let them dry. Thanks for watching. Now go do your laundry.